Why is my water heater making noises? You probably had this happen to you. You turn your water heater on and you hear this cracking, growling sound from your water heater. Or when you let the water run from your faucet, you hear this something like a train horse sound from your water heater. Pretty annoying, right? Hey guys, welcome to the Rookie Handyman. My name is Irfan and today I'm gonna show you why this is happening and how to prevent it in the future. And if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your bathroom faucet so that you can prevent any heater whining in the future. We have all been there. You're in your kitchen or maybe even you are taking your shower and suddenly you hear this weird whining noise coming from your water heater. Now, in most cases, this is not a big deal, but if you leave it untreated, it can cause serious damage to your water heater. To get something straight, it is not your water heater that is whining. This noise can come from one of two places. It can come from the heater that is right here inside of this tank, or it can come from this pressure valve right here. Now, one of the most common issues related to whining noises is buildup of sediment right here on the bottom of your water tank. This can cause a heating element to work harder, leading to that annoying whining noise that you are hearing. Now, solution for this situation is to completely flush your tank. Open it up right here, take out your heater and clean it, or replace it if necessary. But this is basically the last solution because it will take the most time and it is the most expensive one if you have to replace that heater. Now, to flush this tank right here, it's pretty easy. If you think that you need to flush your tank, please write your water heater type down in the comment section and I'll get back to you with the easiest way to flush it. I will show you in another video how to flush this tank right here, but for this video we're gonna go with most simple solution out there. We're gonna check and flush this pressure valve right here. If you have any air in your system, opening up this pressure valve right here will remove that air and that whining noise should stop. But this also depends on the type of the pressure valve you have installed on your water heater. As you can see right here, this pressure valve cannot be adjusted. It is automatical, so when the pressure in this system is too much, the water will automatically start dripping right here through this pipe. Now, there are some other different types of pressure valves and they can be adjusted. You can open them up and you can release the pressure from the system manually. Now, if your valve has this small handle or if it has this small button that you can turn, then you can manually release the pressure from your water tank. Just keep it open until you get a steady stream of water without any air bubbles in it. If you have tried everything else and you still have a small whining noises coming directly from your pressure valve, then it's time to change your pressure valve completely. That will make that whining noises stop. But before you go and spend any money trying to replace any component on your water heater to stop that whining noise, there is one very simple trick that you can try, and that is by setting a faucet handle position. And before I tell you all about that, if you are enjoying these type of tips, please hit that like and hit that subscribe button right now because this really helps to get our content out there. Thank you for doing that. If you have a faucet with cold and hot water, that means that this faucet is connected to your water heater. When the faucet handle is fully to the left, that means you're using only hot water. This increases the flow rate in your water heater. If the flow rate is too high, it can cause vibrations in the pipes or water heater components, which could lead to the whining noises. And the same thing happens if you turn your faucet handle all the way to the right. That means that you are using only the cold water and the flow of hot water is completely cut off. And this can cause a pressure imbalance in your water heater. So please avoid using these end position, either to the cold or either to the hot position, it doesn't matter. Always use the near end position, because this leaves pressure flow open and your water heater will be getting enough pressure relief. If you are looking for more bathroom tips and tricks, make sure to watch these videos right here, and YouTube thinks that this video right here is the best video for you, so make sure to check it out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.